In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a live account on IC Markets. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to icmarkets.eu or just go to your local IC Markets wherever you are in the world. And then on here on their website, you can see a bunch of different options. So over here, it says live trading account, and then you also have the demo account option. So you can go to live trading account and you can just, of course, create one by first filling in your personal details. Then you want to go continue, tell them more about yourself. Your trading account configuration is what you should set up next. Then you want to review this. You could go through the declaration and then you can open account and start trading. So that's the first way you can do it. But of course, in case you have a demo account already, like me, just click on client login over here and then log in via this page with your email and your password over here. And then once you log into your demo account, you'll see this is going to be the dashboard. Now, over here on the dashboard, it's going to say application top left. Click on application, and then here it's going to say open a live account. So here you just want to put in all your different information it requires for step 1, so the personal details, and steps should be about the same as over here, by the way. So you want to put that in, and then over here you want to click go to next step, and when all of this is correct, you'll go to the next step, and then you'll have to fill in all of these over here, and after you're done, you'll be able to apply for a live account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.